Professional office workers, have you ever tucked your shirt in and 5 minutes later your shirt comes undone? You are in the right place. My name is Edwin and I am the founder of Shirt Stay Plus, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our best sellers, which is our Shirt Stay Plus Ys. Shirt stays are designed to help you keep your shirt tucked in. These are a great option for you, specifically if you wear a uniform or if you work within an office setting and you need to have your shirt tucked in. So on the mannequin has our Shirt Stay Plus Ys on at the moment. As you can see, they attach to your shirt. They're a fully adjustable strap, and then they clip on to your socks. So as you can see here, they're gonna work on a dress shirt, as you see on the mannequin, but also they're gonna work on a polo. I actually have the shirt stays on at this moment, and you can see how tight my shirt remains and how I'm able to move. So what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and attach them to the shirt. You wanna find the seam of your shirt, then you wanna clip one strap towards the front and the other strap towards the back. The strap itself is going to be fully adjustable, as you see here. So you want to adjust it based on the length of the shirt and the length of the socks. You want to make sure that the tension is proper. Once you have that fully adjusted, then you want to take the bottom clip and you want to clip that to the socks. So again, attaches to your shirt, as you see here. Then the bottom clip attaches to your sock. So if you're looking at the sock itself, the clip is designed to clip onto the socks and keep everything in place. So they're gonna grab onto your shirt and your socks, but they're not gonna damage them. So again, if you're tired of your shirt coming undone while you're at work, the Shirt Stay Plus Ys are gonna be a great option for you. Now you may be asking, well, are they good? Do they work? So the Shirt Stay Plus Ys, which is the product that I have here, guys, they have over 7,000 reviews online with a 4.5 star rating. Last year alone, we sold over 60,000 units. So we've had repeat and new customers, and they love them. And I created Shirt Stay Plus when I was a police officer, guys, going on 15 years ago. And I've built these for people that work, because as a police officer, it's important that you keep your shirt tucked. Now, these are best to be worn with your dress shirt, your uniform shirt. As you can see here, I have a polo. So if you've ever struggled with your shirt coming undone, the Shirt Stay Plus Ys, guys, they're gonna do a great job for you. You're gonna love them and they're gonna work.